10 Health Benefits of Arabic Coffee. Qahwa. 1. Qahwa is health energy drink. Qahwa gives quick relief from fatigue due to its healthy nutrient. Qahwa becomes healthier as it is usually aided with dates and other sweets. It helps to give up their addiction to milky teas and coffees. 2. Qahwa improves digestion. Qahwa helps to cure digestive problems like constipation. Arabic coffee cleans the digestive system and increases the metabolism, so reduce any problem of digestion. 3. Qahwa boost immune system. Saffron in Qahwa tea is a very good source of vitamin B2 or riboflavin. It helps in strengthening the immune system, energy production, production of red blood cells, and keeping eyes and skin healthy. 4. Qahwa release stress. Qahwa tea helps improve your mood, relieve stress and improve concentration. It refreshes and detox the chemicals you consume via your food or drinks. 5. Qahwa makes active and happy. Qahwa tea makes you active and happy, even helps to activate the good-feeling chemicals in your brain like oxytocin, serotonin or endorphins to reduce stress. Qahwa acts as perfect home remedy. Arabic coffee acts as a perfect home remedy for flu, cure chest congestion, severe cold and even headaches, and migraine, and reduces cholesterol. Qahwa act as fat burner. Qahwa tea helps burns fat, thereby helping to lose weight. This is one of the major reasons why people prefer to have a cup or two of Qahwa tea every day. Qahwa tea keeps skin healthy. Qahwa tea helps treat skin infections, acne, skin dryness, etc. Crushed almonds and walnuts added to the tea give a natural glow to your skin. Drinking Qahwa tea regularly provides moisturized skin to provide nourishment and glow to the skin. Qahwa tea regulates blood pressure. Always add pure cardamom to your Qahwa tea because it eliminates toxins from our body, improves tea quality and helps in blood pressure management. Qahwa lowers the risks of high calories. Qahwa tea can be served with or without sugar, but normally served without sugar. Add honey, sour apples into Qahwa, dried cherries or raisins, being natural sources of sugar, works well. Water, cinnamon and honey act simply perfect to lower the calories. Arabic coffee or Qahwa contains. It is the ideal beverage for maintaining excellent health because it contains nutrients including vitamin B2, vitamin B5, potassium, manganese, magnesium, and niacin. Arabic coffee is a preferred drink in Egypt and the Middle East. Qahwa hydrating candidate. It is low in sodium and high in potassium, therefore it is a good hydrating candidate. Drinks with high levels of sodium cause dehydration. Even though it is a diuretic, supports the production of urine, it does not cause dryness because it is frequently consumed in very small amount. Special about Arabic coffee, Qahwa. Arabic coffee is made from lightly roasted coffee beans infused with a mix of fragrant spices like cardamom, ginger, cloves, and saffron. You will feel more energized and relaxed after drinking Arabic coffee.